My video guide will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension called Good Blocker. Good Blocker is a special extension that is promoted by its authors as a helpful tool to block various advertisements while you are online. The problem with this extension is that very often it is spread through integration with many free applications. People often just download and install this Good Blocker extension unintentionally. And another point is that the extension, once installed, starts acting in a very unusual manner. Instead of blocking ads, it shows its own advertisements that are not related to the site that you visit. So, in other words, the extension plays the role of adware. In case this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, then Site Settings. Go to Permissions and choose Notifications. This can help you remove any unwanted pop-ups that might display notifications and multiple ads, because some extensions may also demand from people to let them show notifications. But another step is also removing the extension. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, disable and remove this particular extension from your Google Chrome. Finally, I recommend that you additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.